What up everyone, it's Crypto Talk here again with another video. Now I recently had a question from a viewer on how to withdraw their Milix for USDC on a Tangled exchange, and it gave me the idea to do a video over it, and so that is what we're going to be doing in this video. Now please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and if you really enjoyed this video then share it with others. Now let's begin. Now to get to the Tangled exchange you will need to click on exchange. Now to make things a lot easier and to have a whole lot more information, you're going to click on Pro. This is going to open up to allow you to have access to seeing the price chart, the spreadsheet or order sheet, to know how big or small the spread is, the trade history. You can view your current order or orders, and also your trades that you have done in the past. Now if you scroll down you will see the chat room. This is my gamer group and I'll use it for this video, so some things won't show up on the screen like they would if I used my original account, but I did use my original account to go through these steps and confirm that it all does actually work correctly. So back to the original question, how do I withdraw my Milix for USDC onto another exchange? Now there's going to be two parts to this, so please be sure to follow each step correctly. So let's begin with part one. So you will need to have a USDC amount listed beside the buy MLX, which is down here, letting you know how much USDC you currently have available. Now if you have an amount of USDC showing, then you're good to go as far as withdrawing. So you're going to withdraw it from the Tangled exchange and send it to another exchange that supports USDC on the Polygon network. Very, very important to remember. Make sure the exchange that you are wanting to send your USDC to supports the Polygon network. If you don't and you try to send, there's a good chance that money will be gone because it has to support the Polygon network. Now, to start this process, you are going to click on withdraw at the top of the screen. From the currency list, you're going to click on USDC from the drop down list, and then you're going to enter in whatever amount it is that you're wanting to try to send out to the exchange. Now keep in mind there are fees for both sending from the Tangled exchange and also the exchange that you're wanting to have receive your USDC. Keep those fees in mind, so make sure you withdraw the amount that you need the first time so you don't have to come back in and do another withdrawal and have all these different fees from different hands taking part in your exchange. So after you enter the amount, you're going to click on send. Obviously mine's not highlighted since I don't have any USDC to do here, but if you had the USDC and the amount entered, you would then click on send. Alright, now notice this just takes the USDC off of the Tangled exchange to allow you to now send to the supported exchange of your choice. Now that the USDC has been removed from Tangled exchange, we are safe to continue for part two of withdrawing USDC. So for the second part of this, you are going to click on My Milix at the bottom left. Then you're going to go to dashboard. Now your USDC balance will take a second to update, and that USDC balance is going to be listed below your MLX balance. Again, I don't have any USDC on my gamer group account, so that's why I don't see it, but you should have a USDC amount right here. Now, once your USDC balance has updated, you will then go under send and then select USDC from the drop down list and enter the address of the exchange you want your USDC to go to. Now remember, the exchange has to support USDC on the Polygon network you are sending it to. Again, this is my gamer account. I don't have any USDC, but just for example, whatever you want to say, we'll just say that's my USDC. After you select USDC, you're going to type in the address that you are sending that USDC to, and that will go in the box below. And then here where it says amount MLX, you will see amount USDC. Then you're going to enter in the amount again that you're wanting to send to the exchange. Now, again, keep in mind, make sure the exchange that you're sending this to supports the Polygon network. So you're going to type in the amount you want to send in the USDC box, and then click on send down here below under note. Now, if you get an error message stating your balance is below the amount you want to send, it is because of the fee cost, and the amount you want to send is more than your balance with the fee cost added in. So be sure you deduct the fee cost of the amount you're wanting to send. Now, once you click on send, the USDC should disappear from the balance on Tangled, and then it will show up at the exchange you have sent it to, which will vary, but shouldn't be very long. I know Kraken supports USDC on the Polygon network because I tested it out before I did this video, and it was a success. If anyone else knows of any exchanges that support the Polygon, let us know. Drop it in the comments. That way other people have options out there to try or use. Some people have preferences. Now, I hope this video was helpful, and if so, give it a like and subscribe. Be sure to check out my Twitch, which is crypto_talk86. I also have a YouTube, crypto_talk86. My Twitter is crypto__talk. I had to use 2 underscores because someone else already has an account with 1 underscore, so I had to add another one, even though I didn't really want to. I did. But again, crypto__talk is my Twitter/X. And then also, of course, can't leave out Tangled. And that is bgoins86 is my user ID that you can find me on Tangled. Now, as always, I forgot to say, I am giving out some sign-up bonuses for those who sign up with my referral link, or you can use my QR code that's at the bottom of this video. Let's see here. If you do sign up either by my QR code or my referral link, make sure you message me on Tangled with that ID that you used to sign up. That way I can send that bonus to you. Now, thanks for watching, and as always, be blessed, be safe, and always do your own research before you get into any project. Thank you.